Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we will talk like how we can make our video faster or slow or make it more feels in time lapse or just a slow-mo video, like how we can create our video into a slow-mo video. So first of all, we have to drag that video into the timeline and make it to the 4 second. So you can see that this is the 4 second clip. Uh, Yes, this is just a 4 second clip. Now you have to go into the speed section. You first of all you have to click on the video because without clicking the video, you will not get any option in that options cockpit in the editing cockpit. So first of all, you have to click on your video and after that you will get all the options. So now you have to click on the speed section. So this is a speed adjustment. So this is right now, this is 1x. If you move that cursor to the right, then it will make the video fast. See now I change 1x to 2x and the 4 second video comes to 2 second video. Like it decrease the time of the video because right now it's 2x video. And if I move that video to 3x to 5x, sorry, 5x is really nice fast. See, it's just a 24-second video. And now if I want to move that video to 40x, then this is just a 0.03 second video and you can create a timeline from there. Like if you have a video of 1x, then you just have to move that video to 4x, which definitely make the timeline of the video. But hey, this is I think so this is the faster side. But if we want to make it a slow-mo video, right now it's a 4 second video and I want to create a slow-mo of that video. Now I have to move that cursor to the left. So right now it's 0.550x. Here you can see. You can also manually type the option. So you can clearly see that the video was 4 second and now it's 8 second. Let's play this video. See, it's really smooth video. Like not smooth, slow because it was not a 60 FPS or 120 FPS because 60 and 120 FPS will give you really nice and smoother slow-mo. But this is slow-mo, like how you can create a slow-mo in your CapCut. So let's changes to 1x. So this is your 4 second clip. Now sometime you have seen multiple reels like there's a car video in which the camera is slowed and then it become faster in just a second and then make it slow, like smooth slow-mos and smooth fast track of the video. So how you can create those videos? So for that you have to click on your video, go to speed option, speed tab, and then click on the curve. So here is the magic. You can create your own custom transitions, custom speeds, but also you can create some pre-made template, which is really nice. So for example, if we talk about this bullet option, then let's play this video. So first of all, you can see the video was 4 second before this transition, but after this transition, the video time came to 1 second and 13 millisecond. So let's play this video. So can you see the magic? The video is moving really fast up to that point and then it make it slow to that point and then no, sorry. Yes, the video is fast up to that point because this is the 1x and this is the 10x. So it means it's a 5x up to that point. And then it come to, I think so 0.4x because this is the 0.5x. It becomes to 0.4x to that point and then again 5x. So this will really make like fast, slow and fast. So let's play it again. Like this is how your actual car videos play out. So if we make it more smoother, we just have to click on that and drag it to the left and right. So now let's check. Like, I think so. This is the part which we usually see in the TikTok and the Instagram, like the BMW ads and the editors really doing nice edits in their videos. So let's click on the none, and now let's click on the jump cut, and let's see it's. So you can clearly see it's a 0.5 second, like it's a slower version. Now it's a faster version of up to zero point 0.5 or sorry, 6x or 5x video, and then again it will be zero point 0.5. So slow, fast, and slow. So let's check it again. So now this is slow, and this is fast, and this is slow. The fast one is really short period, so let's make it a more smoother and more time to make it really looking that something is happening. So yes, here you can see you can also drag it up to maximum, so you can get the maximum results and maximum feel of the video. So here you can see like this is really a nice. So there are multiple transitions which you can use. You can also use this flash in, like it will be a fast and then slow, normal. So this is fast and normal. Now flash out. So this will be normal and then fast. So this is normal and this is fast. And this will be the normal, this will be fast, then slow-mo, and then normal. So that will involve multiple key points. So basically, we call these points, like what these points are called. These are called key points. We mainly create or custom key points in the Adobe Premiere to make it more like if someone is in the volleyball, if someone is smashing the ball, so when he flied in the air, so he jumped, so we make that part too slow just by adding key points. We just want to use that part of the video. We don't want to make the whole video slow-mo, because this standard part will make our complete video either fast either low, but these key point really helps us to build our own custom points. So like this is how you can add your custom points. So let's see. And now we can use this point as a slow mo. You can see over there, fast, slow, normal. And we can use even this too, like fast, normal, and fast. So this is how you can also create your custom points, and this is also free pre-made templates, which is really nice in your multiple car editing videos or some sort of those things. We cannot use these things in the like podcast or some sort of these things in professional video, but these really used in some cinematic shots, like some coffee making videos, some car drifting videos, or some car cinematic shots, or some home tour videos. So this is really, or jumping videos, or diving videos, or adventure. Mainly in the adventure video, we use these key points to make it more appealing. Because if someone see this video and you add these things, minor things, then your client or your video will skyrocket the platform, because everyone shoot his or her reel, or the coffee making reel, or just day vlogging, or whatever you are shooting right now or editing right now. You just make it edit or add some transition clips, that really nice. But these key points really skyrocket your reel. Because I really love to see the Mercedes right today, right now. I'm watching a lot of videos of Mercedes and BMW, because and these really people are using that, in which people are using these key points that really fascinate me. Like, wow, this is really nice, and I just give her to that video. So this is how you can make your video to skyrocket. So this is all about this video, like how you can make your video fast, slow, and how you can add keyframe to your video to make it more